Hello everyone, in today's video we'll solve practice task which I gave you at the previous video. It was to finding out and printing out the product of three integer numbers by the user. So let's solve it and you can check your solutions. First of all, to save the values of integer numbers, we need to use three variables. First variable will be number one. After that, as it's a inputted number, we need to write input command. Yeah. In the previous lesson, I said that everything that was inputted, Python takes as a string, so we need to convert it to integer. For that, we need to use int method. So everything is same for rest of numbers, for the second one and for the third one. So we just need to change variable names to number 2 and to number 3. And also we need to change the hint which shows for the user. Enter the second number, and for the third we need to write enter the third number. So, and last line of code which we need to write is print command to output the data result. We need to write and in the parentheses we need to multiply each other. So let's run it. And it asks for the first number 10, second number 2, and third number is 3. So result should be 60. Oh, there is some message about error. Yeah, incorrect. It says name error. And in the comments, you can see the name number is not defined. And it shows us the line number also, fourth line. And inside the parentheses, I wrote number. So let's fix it. Number 1, I said on the first line, I said number 1, and here it was number, just number. So it was a mistake. Let's run it again. Enter the first number 10, 3, and the last one is 2. And there is no result. So what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Number 2, number 3. Let me run it again. Again. 10, 2, 3. And here's the answer. Product equals 60. So 10 multiplied by 2, it's 20. 20 multiplied by 3, it's 60. So everything is fine now. Like, share, bye.